So I was here at the Kamin Science Center in Pittsburgh, and then I stumble across Bricksburg. I just had to share this experience with you guys. So I'll be taking on some of these challenges here today. First of all, the Hidden Hands Challenge. I have to build something without seeing what I'm building. Here is my boat. Yeah, I thought I grabbed a gray base plate. Otherwise, it went pretty well. Next one is the Lego drag race. This is my car.
Yeah.
6.71 seconds.
Try it on the other side.